What's happening, guys? It's Ep2. Welcome back to my new series on the channel, Level Up Your Rig. I pretty much get the privilege of going into someone's house and upgrading their PC. It's very similar to Setup Makeover, but instead of upgrading the setup, I'm going to be focusing on upgrading the PC. Samsung has reached out to sponsor this video and they sent over their new 970 EVO to help me with this series. So this episode is going to be a little different because the person's PC I'm going to be upgrading is Dom's. He's also a buddy of mine and he has a tech YouTube channel as well. And we're actually going to be building the PC together. But before all that, Dom, tell us a little bit about what you're going to be using this PC for.
Well, mainly I do a lot of editing and productivity type of stuff, but I also like to game, so I really want something that can handle both of those tasks fluidly.
Awesome. So we did talk a little bit about what parts we're going to be using in your build. Yep. We are going with the 8700K 6-core processor. It is unlocked and I'm going to be overclocking it for you. We're also going to be throwing in 32 gigs of RAM to help you out with the productivity side, and also a Strix 1080 Ti to help you on the gaming side.
Yeah.
Having all these high-end parts are nice, but the build is incomplete without a storage device to complement it. The 970 EVO will do just that, with up to 3400 megabytes per second read and 2500 write. So it's basically going to boot your PC faster, it's going to load up your games and your applications faster and just increase your overall productivity flow. That's kind of the purpose of this build. You guys already know this is a TechSource build, so it's got to look good in the aesthetics department, which is why we picked up some custom cables from Cable Mod and some other miscellaneous mods like a GPU backplate. Also, I came up with this color scheme because of two reasons. Reason number one, it's actually Dom's channel's theme. And reason number two is actually I sent out a survey on Twitter and you guys voted on a white and purple color scheme. Alright, so with all that out of the way, let's build a PC. What do you say?
Let's do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Griffith, a beautiful white and purple gaming and productivity PC. So we overclocked the 8700K to 5.1 GHz using the NZXT CAM software. We also added some juice on the GPU as well. Now I know, Dom, you had some time to test the PC around. Tell me how long it takes right now to boot your PC compared to the PC back at home.
So this guy boots in just about 12 seconds, which is absolutely insane over the roughly 40 seconds it would take my other PC to boot. So all around, much improved.
That's a big difference actually, wow.
Yeah.
There's also a significant difference in loading games. That also applies to loading maps and loading saved data. So it's gonna enhance your overall gaming experience. So that way you spend less time waiting and more time gaming. So I know you have a tech YouTube channel as well, Dom, and you edit videos for a living. How has the 970 EVO helped you on the productivity side?
Well, seriously, because this thing is so fast, not only do I get faster launch times for like applications like Adobe Premiere, but also opening up projects is a lot faster, and even exporting projects because of the ridiculous read and write speeds on this M.2 drive. It's just fast all around and definitely enhances my productivity.
So the reason why you're actually noticing a difference in speeds is not only due to the higher read and write speeds, but also because of the intelligent turbo write technology. The 970 EVO basically identifies the user workload and gives it the appropriate buffer. To simplify things, it works great under heavy workload, so it's perfect for editing videos and also using any software that's demanding. So that about wraps up the video. Dom, what do you think of your new PC?
Well, it matches the channel colors, it's super fast, and I'm excited to put this 970 EVO to the test with my editing and gaming. So thank you so much for that.
You're welcome, Dom. Enjoy your PC, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your feedback on Dom's PC by dropping your comment down below. Also leave a like if you guys want to see me continue the series on the channel, and also I'll drop a link to the 970 EVO M.2 SSD down below, so make sure to check them out. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.